Hey YouTube, welcome back. Final part 4 of my Dark Explorers blister pack opening. These all came out of blister packs. You guys should check out my other 3 parts if you haven't. Got some really amazing pulls. So we're going to go ahead and get started. I got 10 packs left. Not too much battery left, so should be able to get it all done though. Then after I got to film I sold my Darkrai EX and I got extras which I need to show as well. We got Dark Patch, Random Receiver, Torkoal, Zorua, Clink, Eevee, Vanillite, Chansey, Volcarona. This is number 22. That's cool. I have that though. Ooh, nice. Electros Holo. So another Holo. I just keep raking in those Holos. Clang, Torkoal, Volibee, Carablast, Drillbur, Minun, Eevee, Scraggy, Chansey Reverse, which is number 81, which I already have, and an Excadrill. One, two, three. Professor Juniper, Flareon, Crustle, Clink, Eevee, Vanillite, Chansey, Tynamo, Charon, number 71, and a Glaceon. So I've noticed that these packs, Excadrill, I never get anything good in them. Don't know why. Hopefully that'll change though, that would be nice. I don't think I've really pulled anything else besides a holo out of them. Get a Random Receiver, Scyther, Darkclaw, Eevee, Tympole, Joltik, Ducklet, Shelmet, Piplup Reverse, and a Bisharp. I already know I've got a Piplup. Enhanced Hammer, Vanillish, Twist Mountain, Timber, Slowpoke, Plusle, Larvesta, Tympole, Rare Candy Reverse up for sale, and an Empoleon Holo. So at least the holo out of these packs, which is really cool, like that. Hoping to get one more EX. Come on, pulls, man. Let's do this. Give me something cool. 2, 3. Torkoal, Yamask, Girder, Eevee, Tympole, Joltik, Ducklet, Shelmet, Jolteon Reverse, and a Glaceon. Moving on to my last 4 packs. This part was pretty quick. Girder, Umbreon, Enhanced Hammer, Clink, Vanillite, Joltik, Tympole. Oopsies, going too fast. Slowpoke, another Tympole. Got that one. And another Haxorus Holo. Awesome. Looks like I probably won't get anything else. What a shame. And Ivysaur, Random Receiver, Prinplup, Chansey, Joltik, Ponard, Zorua, Drillbur, Piplup. Ooh, nice. Another Kyogre EX. Awesome. So I'd probably trade one of these Kyogre EXs for an Entei or a Raikou EX. So that'll probably be it. If not, I'll probably just end up keeping it. Obviously I won't be able to trade until I get back, but I'm happy with that. Another EX pull. 2, 3. Awesome. I think that'll probably do it with all my pulls. Professor Juniper, Palpitoad, Torkoal, Tympole, Dwibble, Woobat, Torchic, Zorua, Pokemon Receiver, and a Carnivine. Alright guys, last pack. Doesn't look like a full art. Who knows? Crystal, Vaporeon, Rare Candy, Slowpoke, Bulbasaur, Vanillite, Torchic, Sando. Ooh, nice Ultra Ball. And a Slowking. Ooh, that's a bad pull. It's a bad way to end it, but I'm still pretty happy. To be honest. 13 hollows. Haxorus, Polion. Here, let me move these real quick. That's more room so I can organize these things. Obviously, all these for sale or trade probably on the Blissey. Nice Kling Klang. Blaziken, another Haxorus, another Kling Klang, Crocodile, Blissey. I got 3 Crocodiles, man. 2 Kling Klangs, 2 Haxorus, 2 Empoleon, and then 1 Electros and Blaziken. And then I got a bunch of reverses that I needed, which is awesome. I'm probably going to end up buying that other lot that he had out there too. And then I got 2 Kyogre EXs. Wicked, wicked, wicked. A shiny Gardevoir and a full art Kyogre EX. That's awesome. So I'm pretty happy with my pulls overall. And I hope you guys enjoyed. Sorry about the quality in that one video. I'm sure there wasn't too many complaints, but who knows. Obviously, if you're interested in buying any of my 50-cent online code cards, hit me up. I'd greatly appreciate it. And I'll catch you guys next time.